Hey guys, welcome! Do you wear the same outfits over and over and over and just rotate the same clothes and the same outfits week after week and feel kind of bored with the clothes that you have? If this is you, stay tuned to this video because I'm going to give you an easy activity to help you think about creating new outfits with clothes that you already own. Hi, I'm Carrie LaShell, owner of Such Savvy Style. I'm an image consultant and style expert and the author of the book, The Outside Inside Magic of a Great Image. I help everyday women just like you look and feel amazing in their clothes, and I've done this over the last 12 years. I would love to have you part of my style community, so if you're interested in that, please hit the little red button down below that says subscribe, click the bell to be notified every week when I release videos, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. So let's get started on ways to create outfits out of clothes that you already have in your closet. So it's really easy to get stuck in a rut and wear the same outfit again and again and again. So much so it starts to feel like a uniform, right? And we just look at our closet and it's like not inspiring because we're bored with wearing our clothes in the exact same way week after week. So my hope is this week to give you an activity that will get you thinking about how to get in your closet and play with your clothes and start creating some outfits from clothes that you already own. But I want to mention, before we get started on creating outfits, it really is important to create your personal style. And if you haven't checked out my video from a couple weeks ago, I really encourage you to check this video out and create your personal style so that it helps you when you go to start creating outfits in your closet. So this week's activity includes Pinterest. And we're going to use our Pinterest board to help give us some inspiration on creating outfits. And using a Pinterest board is a really great way to kind of start getting the creative juices flowing because it has pictures and it gives us ideas. And there's other things I'm going to go over in the next few weeks that will give you some other ideas, but today we're going to focus on Pinterest. So the first thing is, if you don't have a Pinterest board, go to Pinterest, create a board for outfit ideas, search for cute outfit ideas, and just start pinning pictures. Once you have that, or if you already have a board, go to Pinterest and I want you to pick one picture of an outfit that you absolutely love. As you can see, this is the picture that I'm going to use. I love the olive green color because it's the color of my eyes, and I love kind of a casual, fun outfit. That's my favorite kind of outfit to wear. So as you can see in this picture, this gal is wearing olive green jeans, a olive green and cream, it looks like, striped shirt, her denim jacket, and for really a lot of fun, she's added the animal print shoes. So I want to show you two ways to use this picture that will help inspire you with your own clothes. So the first way is to actually look in your closet. Do you have clothes that look almost similar to these pieces that she is wearing? And as you can see from this outfit that I'm wearing, I actually had something pretty similar. I had green pants, although they weren't jeans, they were more of a khaki style cargo skinny legged pant. And I also had this striped shirt and the jean jacket, and I had a white necklace, and I had animal print shoes. They are different animal print shoes than the animal print shoes she has on, but you can tell this outfit is very, very similar and works really well, just like her outfit did. So I took the pieces that she used in her outfit and tried to find very similar pieces in my closet to recreate the outfit. Now, what happens if you go to your closet and you don't have those similar items? Because that's probably more likely what's going to happen, right? The second option is to look at each piece of clothing and think to yourself, what do I have that's similar? Maybe I don't have a green pair of skinny pants or jeans, but maybe I have another color. Maybe I don't have a green and white striped shirt, but maybe I have a navy blue and white striped shirt. Maybe I don't have animal print shoes, but maybe I have shoes that have a different kind of pattern or some kind of interesting texture. So as you can see with this outfit that I created, I have chosen to use a aqua kind of teal colored pair of pants with a navy and white striped shirt, using the jean jacket and using a shoe that has more of the texture from the rhinestones and the sparkles on the shoes. So you don't always have to have the same pieces to create the look. You want to be inspired by your Pinterest board, and you want to have that give you some guidance, but you may not have the right pieces to create it exactly, and that's okay. You just want to follow the steps and look at each piece that's in there and see if it can give you inspiration to what you do have in your own closet. I also encourage you to check out my video on how to create an applause-worthy outfit, because I talk about an outfit formula that will give you some tips and tricks on things that need to be in an outfit. So that's CLAP, C for color, L for layering, A for accessories, and P for prints, patterns, and details. And if you use the CLAP formula along with your Pinterest board for this first activity, I think you will feel really inspired to create some new outfits. And I really can't wait to hear what you guys come up with. So please share with me in the comments down below. If you have any questions, leave them for me. I'm always happy to answer questions. And head over to my website where you can download an actual guide on creating outfits and the CLAP formula, which is suchsavvystyle.com. So again, I ask, if you want to be part of my community, I would love to have you subscribe. I would love to have you give me a thumbs up if you like this video and share it with all your girlfriends. And I will see you guys next week, Friday, for more tips with me on creating outfits.